Living paycheck to paycheck can feel like a storm that never passes. Every month, just when you think you're making progress, something unexpected crashes into your life. A car repair, a medical bill, or a surprise rent increase. And suddenly, your carefully planned budget feels like sand slipping through your fingers. It's overwhelming, stressful, and can make saving money seem impossible. But here's the secret. Even on a tight budget, there are smart, practical strategies that can help you take control of your finances, put money aside for future, and start building security, even when every dollar counts. Let's dive deep into how you can break free from financial stress, cut unnecessary costs, and start saving today. 1. Track every penny you spend. The first step to taking control is understanding where your money actually goes. Many people are shocked when they track their spending. They don't realize how much tiny, everyday purchases drain their finances. That daily coffee, the snack you grab between classes or work, the impulse buys that feel small in the moment, they add up faster than you imagine. Start tracking everything you spend for a week or a month. Use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or a budgeting app. Watch closely. When your spending is laid bare, you can finally see the patterns and identify where to cut back. That extra soda, that occasional Uber ride. Each reduction adds up. Suddenly, saving doesn't feel impossible. You just need to see the gaps. 2. Create a realistic budget you can stick to. Once you know where your money is going, it's time to create a budget. A budget isn't punishment. It's a map, a guide showing exactly how much money comes in and where it should go. Start with the essentials: housing, utilities, groceries, transportation. Then carve out a portion for savings, even if it's just a small amount each month. Finally, allocate what remains for fun, entertainment, dining out, or hobbies. The key? Make it realistic. Life is unpredictable. Your budget should be flexible enough to adapt to surprises, so you aren't constantly stressed when emergencies hit. A budget is not a cage, it's a shield. 3. Cut back on non-essentials without losing your life. Saving money doesn't mean giving up everything you enjoy. It's about priorities. If you eat out 4 times a week, consider cooking more meals at home. Skip the daily coffee runs or limit online shopping. Look at subscriptions and memberships. Are you paying for services you barely use? Cancel them. Switch to a cheaper phone plan. Negotiate your internet, or find small ways to reduce monthly bills. These minor adjustments might feel insignificant day to day, but over months, they compound into a significant savings reservoir. 4. Hunt for coupons, discounts, and deals. Never underestimate the power of coupons and discounts. They are hidden weapons in the fight against financial stress. Many stores run weekly deals, and countless apps help you find online promotions. Plan your shopping around sales. Use coupons for items you truly need, and watch your grocery bills shrink. Avoid buying something just because it's cheap. Saving money isn't about spending less wisely. It's about spending smartly. 5. Meal plan and cook at home. Food is one of the biggest budget drainers, but also one of the easiest areas to save dramatically. Start meal planning for the week. Make a grocery list and stick to it. Cooking at home doesn't need to be time-consuming. Batch cooking, freezing meals, and preparing simple, nutritious dishes can save both money and stress. It reduces food waste and eliminates the temptation to order takeout. Cooking is not just feeding yourself. It's reclaiming control over your finances. 6. Shop smart for groceries. Shopping without a plan is a trap. Stick to your list. Compare prices between stores. Buy bulk items when it makes sense. Opt for store brands instead of name brands. They're often just as good but cost much less. Seasonal produce is cheaper, fresher, and healthier. When you shop smart, every trip to the grocery store becomes a strategic mission, not a drain on your wallet. 7. Avoid debt and interest payments. Debt is a silent killer. Paying high interest on credit cards or loans eats your hard-earned money faster than anything else. Focus on paying off existing debts, starting with the highest interest rates first. Once you're debt-free, avoid taking on new debt unless absolutely necessary. Use cash or debit for daily purchases to keep yourself in control. If you must use a credit card, pay it off in full each month. Every dollar saved on interest is a dollar that can work for your future. 8. Find free or low-cost entertainment. Fun doesn't need to be expensive. Free concerts, community events, outdoor movies, or public library resources can provide joy without draining your wallet. Explore hobbies that cost little. Hiking, biking, reading, or crafting. Socialize without spending. Potluck dinners, game nights, or walks in park. Joy is not about spending. It's about being intentional with your choices. 9. Build an emergency fund. Life throws curveballs. Without a financial cushion, a single emergency can send you spiraling. Start small. Save $500 to $1,000 as a first emergency fund. Once you reach that, aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Even a few dollars set aside each week adds up. An emergency fund isn't just money. It's peace of mind, a buffer against chaos, and your shield against unexpected hardship. 10. Set clear savings goals. Vague goals lead to vague results. Set specific, actionable savings targets. If you want $1,000 for a vacation, break it down to $100 a month for 10 months. Achievable steps keep you motivated and prevent overwhelm. Savings isn't about instant wealth. It's about consistent, intentional progress. Every small victory builds confidence and momentum. 11. Sell unused items. Look around your home. Clothes, electronics, books, furniture. These can all be turned into cash. Sell them online through platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Craigslist. Host a garage sale. Not only will your space feel cleaner, but your wallet will thank you. Unused items are wasted resources. Turn them into fuel for your savings or debt repayment. 12. Avoid impulse purchases. Impulse spending is the enemy of financial stability. Before buying, ask yourself, do I really need this, or am I buying the heat of the moment? Use the 24-hour rule. Wait a day before making a decision. Often the urge fades and you save money. Small actions like this build discipline, which compounds into major savings over time. Saving money on a tight budget is not about depriving yourself. It's about strategy, intention, and consistency. Tracking expenses, budgeting wisely, cutting non-essentials, hunting for deals, cooking at home, shopping smart, avoiding debt, seeking low-cost fun, building an emergency fund, setting goals, selling unused items, and resisting impulsive purchases. Each step strengthens your financial position. Remember, it's not the giant leaps that create wealth. It's the small, consistent steps. By making thoughtful, intentional choices, even limited income can grow into meaningful savings. You gain freedom, security, and confidence. You are not powerless. You are strategic. Financial stability is a journey, and every deliberate step forward builds a foundation for a brighter, calmer, and more secure future. Start today. Track, budget, plan, cut, save. Every small effort compounds into control, independence, and the peace of mind that comes with knowing your finances are truly yours.